But Billy, I don't need to do all this stuff. This is ridiculous. That's about what I got from a guy I talked to a few months back. I get calls all the time. People see me on Facebook, see me other places. They call me and say, hey, I want Google reviews. Can you help me out? I say, well, you need a Google business profile. So I told this guy that. And I basically spent, I don't know, 5-10 minutes on the phone with the guy going through all the things he needs to do. You know, stuff I covered in this video, but I went through it pretty quick. I told him, this is what you should do. The guy sort of like, I could tell he was sort of blowing me off. He wasn't getting it. So anyway, long story short, he called me back yesterday, and he was in video verification hell. I know you guys don't believe that, but that's, I tell you, you could do things just like I was telling you guys all along. You guys could try to cut corners, and then you're going to have to get video verified. You try to do it the way I'm telling you to do it and miss all the video verification stuff. So let's see what I'm talking about here. So I know there's a lot of you out there who don't believe it, say, oh, you're exaggerating, this doesn't really happen. But it does. So this is where I'm at right now. I thought that I'd just show you what you're up against. This is, there's a thing called Google Business Profile Help, or I call them the forums, basically. And so when there's big issue, is a bug, is an issue, I come here and see what people are saying about it. So I decided to do that. So I decided to just open it up. And so here we go. So we have a Melissa Crawford there, Melissa Crawford. I'm talking about video verification. That is all great, but I've done it multiple times. It doesn't work. And we scroll down. Video verified issue. My Google profile suspended. Please help. 2 days ago. 5-star Thai spa. My Google business profile suspend. My office is open for 24 hours. Are officially approved. Open your business profile. Please help me. Dude got suspended too. I can't get to the stage to start the video. Keep saying I need to allow the camera location. This guy's having trouble with this video, the actual video. This has happened to me as well. I've checked and triple checked the settings. Are all saying allow Google 2 days ago. Any tips, please? Hi guys, I have an issue. I submitted it and says they may respond within 5 days, and today is the last day. Didn't get any answers. Again, it says disabled because the profile doesn't follow the guidelines. This is saying I'm in the same boat. It's absurd. I submitted 9 days ago. On and on and on. He says, I can't get my business verification after years of trying. I mean, telling you guys, this is what you're up against. Don't take the chance of having to do video verification, man. I'm telling you, this is what I see. I get people calling me all the time, really, really frustrated. So an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. I know that's old-fashioned. My mom used to say that, but it's true. And don't do this. So this video here, I'm talking about just another step you're going to take. You say, Billy, I don't have to do that. People get verified all the time. I see people verified and they don't do any of this stuff. That's right. But that's all true. Every bit of that is true. But if you do it my way, you're not going to have to deal with this video verification thing. I mean, no promises, but that's what our people tell us. That's what I've seen myself. I've done it myself. Secondly is everything I'm telling you. I keep saying again and again. I'm just like crazy. Everything I'm telling you is going to help you get your website or your business on the first page of Google, on the Google Map Pack. So you get free phone calls. I mean, it's not 100% free. You got to pay some money to get the website. And that's why I tell you, everything I tell you here, you got to put on your website. I'm telling you, this goes on your website. And some of you guys say, well, I can't do that. Well, there you go. I say that you got to spend a little bit of money. Your website's one of them. So this video, and especially the next video, you guys, this one, everything I'm telling you in this video, you could do. You could do yourself. Maybe you can't, but I bet you can. If I could do it, you could do it. The next video might be some problems. I'm telling you, there might be some problems for you guys. But that's why it's worth it for you guys to spend a little bit of money. Decent website, have somebody help you. Hey, again, thanks for watching. Billy D here. Again, I'm just trying to save you guys a lot of problems. And I'm going to be telling you, I'm a little selfish here. It's people that watch these videos, people that follow me. I want to help you. I want to sell you my product to how I get people Google reviews. And if you saw how well I get people Google reviews, you go nuts. You say, oh, it's crazy. But yeah, it's true. It's true. So we get people a ton of Google reviews. So I'm a little selfish here. I want to help people. Don't get me wrong. But I can't help you. I can't sell you what we do unless you have a verified Google business profile. So check it out. What I'm suggesting to you is you get the Google business profile, main category, you get your company description, you get all your product descriptions, ready to go in there, and you get your photos. Let's talk about the photos. Oh, I know what photos we could use. We could put the same photos you put in your Facebook and same photos you put in Instagram and the same videos that you put in your YouTube channel in your Google business profile. See how it just all comes around? You want to fill it out entirely. You want to put a bunch of photos in. That's the kind of stuff you want to do. You want to do every bit of that. Oh, and by the way, you have sections on your Google business profile. Boom. These are some of the questions that you could ask. You could ask yourself some questions and answer them. What adds the most value to a bathroom? Boom. You put that in your Google business profile. So what do? We put that over there. We take that, what adds the most value to a bathroom? That sounds like a great question, because if I'm making a bathroom, so then I'm over here, I put ChatGPT in, boom, I went to it, I answer this question, boom, then I answer that, and then I answer it right here. So you might not want to put all the stuff in there, but if you got somebody who wants to put heated floors in, I'm sure you'll put them in for them if you're a bathroom remodeler. This is the kind of stuff that we're looking for. And that's the kind of answers that people like. So what adds the most value to a bathroom? You ask that question on your Google business profile and you answer it. Boom, you're good to go. That's the kind of stuff I'm talking about. Yeah, let's talk about NAP. I know you guys are probably thinking, man, you're taking us off on a wild goose chase here, but I'm not. I really am trying to show you how to get your Google business profile verified, how to get all the SEO at one time, not all of it, but a lot of the SEO you're going to need to get your business on the first page of Google on the map pack so you could be found, so you can make a lot of money, and most importantly, so you can start getting Google reviews. So let's talk about NAP. Name, address, and phone number. This is a simple concept, but it bears some explanation. I should explain this, and because I want you guys to get it right. This must be exact. Your name, address, and phone number must be the same on your website, same on your Google business profile, and same all on directory listings. And I'll tell you what that is in a second. But everywhere on the internet, your name, address, and phone number must got to be the same. So the business name must be exact everywhere. So you see these, I'm using this as a fictional company, Don's Tractor Company. I talked to a tractor guy yesterday and he had a little different name, but it's pretty close. And I sort of explained this to him. Don's Tractor Company, Don's Tractor Co., Don's Tractor Company, LLC. You see, these are all different. This is not good. This will mess up your business on every level. If you have one place on your website says Don's Tractor Company, another place on your Google business profile says Don Tractor Co., it's got to be the same. So I don't care which one of these you pick. You just got to pick one and be exactly everywhere on your website, on your Google business profile, and all these citations and directories. Trust me, I'm going to get to that one in a second, but that's all over the internet is what I'm trying to tell you. It's got to be the same. So your business address must be the same everywhere on your website, Google business profile, and all directories and citations. Again, I'll tell you what that is in a second. So these are examples. These are all different. These are all subtly different, but they're importantly different. 153 South Main, number 201, Tupelo, Mississippi. See that the S at South Main is different from South Main writing it out. The next one says South Main Street with a ST. You kind of think, oh, this is nitpicky. This is no. You're going to say, oh, Google's smarter than this. Why take the chance? Trust me, this is a voice of experience talking. You don't want to make these mistakes. I don't care which one of these addresses you pick. Number 201 is different from suite 201. You got to know this. Pick one, whatever you're going to go with, and make it consistent everywhere. Okay? It has to be the same. Just go with me on this. You could fight this, say, oh, I don't care, but don't be that guy. I'm trying to get you where you need to go. Hey, man, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Again, you don't want to be one of these guys. You don't want to be this. I'll go a couple more. Postcards no longer an option. Try the video today. They're having problems. The video will not upload. I keep trying to verify about 10 times for my lawn care business, but then when it says there are no more ways to verify, what do I do? Is it possible to get verified now? Probably not. You know, for that, sometimes I tell people this, you need to make up a new business name, do a whole new thing again, and try a different business, okay? I'm in the same spot. Google Support won't help, and the system won't let you submit anything to get verified. It's madness. It's madness. That should be that right there is going to be what this video is about. It's madness. I try to tell people this. It says, I'm in the same boat. I guess we have to wait. This is all new, guys. I told you the dates before. These are new people. Don't be that guy. All right. Thanks for watching. Trying to help you here. Trying to help you get verified without this stupid verification video that people are having so much trouble with. It's not you. It's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people have trouble with this. You're going to say, oh, my buddy got it. Yeah, your buddy got it, but you might not. All right. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe so other people see this, so they don't go in this video verification hell. They don't have to deal with it's madness. All right? Thanks so much for watching. Again, like and subscribe so other people see it. Hey, do yourself a favor. When you go home at night, hug your spouse, your wife, your husband, whatever. Tell them how much you love them. Go tell your kids you appreciate them. Give them unconditional love. Help around the house. Try to be a good parent, because that's what this is all about, man. We're all trying to secure the future of our family and help them out so they have a better life than we had. You know, I'll tell you right now, I grew up in a trailer park, so I get it, man. I get it. So I know what you're trying to do here. Nothing wrong with trailer parks, but that was me. So I understand it, man. Self-made. So I hear all the time people, I don't have the money for it. Well, you got to go get a second job. You got to figure it out. You got to put a little money into this. The little money I'm telling you to put in, get a decent website, and get some system, get Google reviews, because that helps everything. All right? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.